everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Sublimation Raccoon. In this video, I am focusing on the ColorSub Sublimation mug press, and I will be showing you how to use the settings. The first thing that we're going to do is turn the power button on. As you can see, the heat begins to rise immediately. There is a little light next to heating that shows that it is heating up. The default screen shows you what the temperature is currently at and constantly updates. I have it set to Celsius, which you can see from this light here. To get into the settings menu, push the OK button. P1 shows us that we are in the first setting, which is the temperature. By using the arrow keys, you can adjust the temperature up and down. If you hold down the arrow, you can jump in increments of 5. I have it set to 200 degrees Celsius, which I like to use for my mugs. To confirm your temperature, press OK. This will take you to P2, which is the timer setting. The timer is in seconds. Again, use your arrows to adjust the time and press and hold to jump by 5. I prefer 190 seconds for my mugs. Press OK to confirm and move on to P3. This is the setting where you can choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. For this setting, you only use the arrow on the left to switch between the two. Press enter once again to confirm and leave the menu settings. When you are back on the main screen, you will see the temperature rising once again. Once the temperature has reached your desired degree, it is now ready for you to use. And that is how you set the temperature, time, and temperature scales with the settings on your ColorSub Sublimation mug press. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe.